Hello and welcome to Ocean Tralian's comprehensive guide to property law related services and why you might need them. My name is Richard and joining me is Jen.
Hi, my name is Jen and today we'll be talking about the transferal of property ownership between partners.
So what exactly do we mean by the word partner?
In this case, the legal definition of partner would be the other member of the couple, whether legally married or in a registered relationship or in a de facto relationship.
Thanks for that, Jen. Now that we've established what is meant by the legal definition of a partner, you may be asking, why would I think about transferring properties between partners?
Well, to start off with, regardless of whether or not partners may wish to transfer property ownership between each other, it is important to check that they do have legal ownership of the property.
Yes, reviewing this information is important, as it's possible that the ownership of the property has been transferred to a third-party individual, corporation, or the government without your knowledge. Imagine if you'd spent so many years paying off your mortgage, only to find out that the property doesn't even belong to you or your partner.
Another reason for potentially requiring a transfer of property ownership between partners may have to do with the security risks that may be involved in one or both partners' lives. According to the banks, debt collectors, and the government, your property is seen as an asset that can be used to settle existing debt. Should you fail to pay them within a sufficient time frame, if you or your partner are involved in gambling, debt, lawsuits, or criminal activities with proof of property ownership, the property may be at risk of being seized and sold.
The same can be said for those in high-risk occupations, such as law enforcement, firefighters, and army personnel. Should these individuals pass away with sole ownership of a property and an insufficiently prepared will, it is possible that the bank, the government, or other third parties may be able to claim the property, with the unfortunate result being a dispute being made. This dispute will result in a long, tiresome, and expensive process for the family, involving court appearances, lawyers, and documentation to fight for the family's right to continue being the rightful owners of the property. Should the family lose this dispute, they may very well be evicted from the property they worked so hard for. This would be an extra devastating blow during a time of grief.
Before we conclude the discussion, there are a couple of additional benefits to transferring property ownership that you may want to know about.
First of all, transferring to a partner who has become a pensioner may result in the family being taxed less.
And secondly, unlike transferring property ownership between others, such as friends, relatives, and strangers, transferring property ownership between partners is completely free.
Thank you for watching Ocean Tralian's guide to transferring property ownership between partners. Please be sure to watch this space for more guides to property law services.
If you have any questions about property law, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you for watching.